Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Microsoft's new decision-making AI tools. If you are curious how AI can actually help you make smarter and faster decisions, this guide will break it down in simple terms. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to understand what decision-making AI really means. So Microsoft's tools or the AI tools are designed to assist your decisions, not replace you. They analyze the information, detect the patterns, and generate the suggestions based on the data. So the step one is to defining your goal. Before using the AI, you need to be clear about what you actually want. Are you analyzing the data, planning a project, writing something, or comparing the options? The AI is going to perform best when the objective is specific. In the step 2, inside Microsoft's AI powered tools, you will typically type requests like you would ask a colleague. For example, instead of the vague instructions, you can use the structured prompts like summarize this report and highlight the key risks, compare these two strategies and list the pros and cons. You can also type a prompt like identify the patterns in this database. So in the next step, the AI may generate the insights, the summaries, or the alternative approaches. So you can treat these as the decision support and not the automatic answers. So this is important because AI identifies the patterns, but you provide the context and the judgment. If the output isn't exactly what you need, you can adjust your instructions. Clearer prompts produce better results. The AI speed up analysis and the idea generation, while humans evaluate the properties, ethics, and the real world impact. So this is where the real power comes from, that is collaboration. So if this video helped you understand how you can use Microsoft's decision making AI, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.